I want a bag. I really do. Manifest, please get my bag. 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 Please give me my bag. Please make it my bag. Please, 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 please. Hermes. Very quick update on my Hermes journey. It's like my shopaholicness, right? Like I think I might have shot myself in the foot a little bit because who knows what I'm gonna get from the store, when I'm gonna get from the store, and what it's gonna be. I don't know. Again, this is all hearsay. This is all speculation. All I can do is just, there are people that make a career out of helping you get a bag. Like you pay them and they help you play the game, like a coach, like an Hermes coach. Still so confused why I have not. I don't think that that's a crazy ask. I just think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and buy something on the secondary market, ridiculously priced. Potential Preloved purse. Working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin, Birkin, Birkin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak in Hermes. A Goya geek, luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, a shopaholic, chic shithead, a shopaholic. And today, this video is gonna be a very, very quick update on my Hermes journey after my visit to the boutique this week for my birthday, right before my birthday, and where I'm at. If that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on. I went to try, as I said in my previous video, this is my Hermes journey update, working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin, working. Good. I'm probably gonna post this after my birthday. So my birthday just happened. Hey, it was my birthday. I went to Hermes to try to see if I could get my Wishlist bags for my birthday. I mean, I went with my friend and he was shopping, but I was just kind of like perusing. You know, I feel like there were no bags available, but now they have bags on display. So they have, it's kind of like FSH, all the bags are on display as they are like in France at FSH, all the bags with, sometimes, I don't think they had price tags, but all the bags are there. I think I took a video, so here it is. But basically now it's kind of like you can see options even though none of them are available for sale, which is like, and they had two of these, which I think they had these exact two, which I was like, but you can't buy them. But there was a Kelly and there was a, they were look so beautiful. Anyway, long story short of it is my bag wasn't there. I was hoping it was maybe gonna be a surprise and I was gonna get it, but it wasn't there, which, you know, what are you gonna do? I'm feeling a little like, I don't know if it's ever coming. And I'm feeling also a little like maybe I should not have gotten so many bags online, especially 4 of these bags online, which are hard to get bags and also are like not quota bags, but they are kind of quota bags. Like they require a signature, they require authorization. They're kind of like in that level. And the fact that I got 4 of them, I think was also a glitch, but it also just makes my like account, which I thought online doesn't count. I thought it was separate and that's why I got them online and I was okay with getting them online. I thought it was a whole separate thing, but I think that it still counts to it's your full profile, and I assume that they see that. So I feel like now with 4 of these, these 4 were more than my spend of everything else. So I'm like heavy on leather and quota bags. So I feel like now I'm kind of, I kind of backtracked. I don't know. Again, this is all hearsay, this is all speculation. All I can do is just kind of get these little tidbits and nuggets of information and put them together and kind of make an assumption and make a informed like assumption, guesstimate, educated guess of like what's going on. But it feels like I might have boo-booed by doing that, which I didn't know, but I guess I should have used my brain. But I was just so excited they were available because they're so hard to get and there were so many and they're still available. They're always on the website. When I do my website video, which is coming up soon, I'll leave it or whenever it's out, you'll see. But like they're always available, but then they're not. Like they go away so fast. Like, and I was like, oh, this is like I don't know how long I have to wait to get these bags in the store, so I just got them. It's like my shopaholicness, right? Like my eyes are bigger than my mouth or whatever it is. My eyes are bigger, you know what I mean? Anyway, I just got them all because they were there and available and I could. And they were each individual buys. Like it wasn't like but I think I was not supposed to get that many. So I feel like I'm right now at a point where like still, like I said in my last video, I don't want to spend any more. I don't want to spend a ton more to wait for a bag, that I've spent so much already to wait for a bag when I could have just bought this secondhand for a premium that would have been less than my overall spend, right? I'm kind of at I'm gonna go to France again, try one more time. I'm already planning to go. Actually, I'm going to France 2 more times. I'm going at the end of the year. I was going to go for the sales in June, but I didn't plan it accordingly, and now it's like super mad expensive, and I don't know. So I'm actually having a friend buy some stuff for me from France and bring it here. I mean, I might still go, but I was looking into it and it's kind of like, I was going to do like an impromptu birthday trip, but it's like so expensive. It will be really expensive to spend there, but I do want to go once again for the end of the year and try. So I don't know when that's going to be, probably September, October. And then I'm going to go again next year in January and next year in June and try. And those are going to be, I wouldn't necessarily last, but like those are going to be my tries. In the meantime, I think I'm going to start looking into buying resale. I just think I'm going to have to bite the bullet and buy something on the secondary market for now, because I want a bag. I really do. I'm just gonna go and try to get my bag, because who knows what I'm gonna get from the store, when I'm gonna get from the store, and what it's gonna be, right? And it's gonna be like, this, the bag we offer you, take it or leave it, right? And if I don't love it, then I'm like, you know, I gotta keep waiting. And I'm already very particular about what I want, so it's like I'm already waiting, because I want it chai with gold hardware is what I wanted. I think I would now settle for like any kind of neutrally dark color with gold hardware, or rose gold hardware preferably, but like, come on. But if I'm looking at a secondary bargain now, like I could probably try and find whatever I want, right? Because there's so many options. You just have to pay for what you want to pay. So we'll see what I can get, and if I'm gonna get something used, and I'll start doing it. But I'm also really worried about authentication. So if you guys know anything about authentication, if you have any tips about where to get things authenticated, or like what websites or who you use, in-person authentication or picture authentication, I think I want in-person authentication. I want somebody to actually touch it, hold it, feel it, you know, and confirm. I'm gonna do my own assessment, but like, I need somebody else. And I'm gonna have to buy it somewhere that allows me to return like Fashion File or Rebag. I think RealReal doesn't, but they do. But I think you can also request it to be brought to the store and try it on before, so I might do that. So I'm starting that journey. And if you guys have anywhere else that you think that has good resale bags, I'm not giving up on my Birkin. I mean, like, I still think I'm gonna get it at some point. I hope, but I just think I might have shot myself in the foot a little bit and backtracked by getting these. So, I mean, bought 2 things under my account. I'm still gonna slowly but surely grow my account, but I'm not gonna spend like crazy just to spend. Which I don't think, everything I bought, I love and I've used for the most part. Some things I impulse bought that I didn't use. But for the most part, I bought things that I actually liked and have used. So I don't mind it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep buying. Right now, I'm gonna take a beat. I'm not gonna, like, I've been taking a beat, but I'm gonna take a longer beat. I'm not gonna keep buying just to buy to help. I'm gonna wait and play this out a little bit longer. We'll see. If nothing comes in the next 6 months, by the end of the year, you know, I don't know, I'll reassess. But in the meantime, I'm gonna look into something else and try to find something else. If I can find a good deal. Like, there are used ones that are basically the same price as retail, which is, you know, still a lot for a used bag, and I don't really want a used bag because I want it to be my own and new and stuff. But the pristine ones and the ones that are in perfect condition are like ridiculously priced. But then again, pre-spend and all, actually a savings. But now I'm already in the thick of this, and I'm starting this, so I'm gonna try to find something that's like just around or a little above retail, because retail's also getting higher. It's like 12, 13, 14, 15 now, from like 7, 8, 9, 10. And retail in France is obviously still cheaper, but it's getting impossible to get there. I think I heard it's like 30,000 appointments a day now. And they just don't give, like, they don't have. They do, but they don't. They just don't give bags. 300 appointments a day, and they just don't. Even with the new factories, even with things, I mean, maybe a Birkin is not in my, maybe a Birkin from the store or Kelly from the store is not in my destiny anytime soon. Maybe this is my Birkin Kelly, and this is my Birkin Kelly, or this is my Birkin, this is my Kelly, and maybe that's it, you know? I don't know. I want to stay optimistic, I want to manifest, and I'm going to still, but I'm in a little rut of a thought right now. So that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm saying. But that might not change. That could change, because I still believe in the Hermes gods, and I still believe that I have a chance. So please, Hermes gods, manifest, please get my bag, 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 please give me my bag, please make it my bag, please, 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 please. Please. Please, Hermes gods, please. Okay. Enough mopey sadness. I still love Hermes. If you guys are watching, if anyone from Hermes is watching, please help me get back. I love you. Okay. That's all I got. I might go into more detail in another video. I don't know how much I can say without saying, because I have more info, but I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Also, I'm meeting with, okay, so there are people that are like make a career out of helping you get a bag. Like, you pay them and they help you play the game, like a coach, like an Hermes coach, and they tell you what's going on, and they have insider scoop, and they know the managers or whatever, so I might do one of those, have them look at my profile and give me kind of a lowdown of what they think. That might be the next thing I do, and we'll see what they say and why I haven't, because I'm still so confused why I have not. I feel like I've spent a lot. I've done everything right. I've spent money with one SA in the same store, built a relationship, bought things I like and I wanted and I used from every category without being crazy asking for things, not been like drama, not asking for something crazy, right? Like, I'm asking for a 30 or 35 Birkin, which is not, or less harder ones to get, or even a 40, any kind of darker or neutral or deep color, just nothing bright or pastel-y, or chai, but chai is a very hard color, I understand, but like a deep, like a whatever, like a vert de gris, a vert absent, like whatever, like I don't even know the names, like cassis, or, you know, raisin, or blue nuit, or like obviously like noir, tan, taupe, all those. Although I don't really like, I'm not craving for like a gold or a taupe. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess I have to see it. I don't know. Things you just have to see it, but it's like those. a Kelly 28, 32, or 35. I'm not going for the small sizes. My only big stiff is gold hardware. I really want gold hardware. I don't want palladium. I'm good with most leathers except for Epsom, and I want Retour instead of Cellier. I don't think that that's a crazy ask in terms of for my first bag, in terms of what other people get, you know, but I'm also in a really competitive store with every celebrity in the world and like all these billionaires and wives and people, like, you know, it's a very competitive store, a lot of traffic, don't get a lot of bags, with an SA that's newer, but I love, but is newer. I don't know if that plays into a factor. I'm probably not like a top clientele at all, even in his roster compared to other people. And like, but then why am I on the negative Donnie? But no, I've spent the right amount of money. I feel like I've done everything right. So I'm just gonna keep waiting and I'm gonna manifest, because I should be able to get this bag. I should be able to get this bag from the store for retail. I should be able to do it. I've been waiting long enough. I should be able to get it. So I hope I do. If anyone has any tips or advice or anything, or can connect me with anyone who knows anything, or can help me detective this, or knows any of those kind of coaches, there's this one girl I'm not gonna name, but I've seen her stuff and I'm gonna reach out and see. And I'm gonna start looking at resale. So that's kind of my recap for now. That's not working on my Birkin journey. My working on my Birkin journey might become my working on my Birkin buying used. Resale run. Oh, come on, wasn't better. Second try, second hand. Second hand, second try. Used unicorn. Used but ubiquitous. No. Preloved party. Preloved prince. Preloved potential. Potential preloved purse. Potential preloved purse. Maybe that'll be what this video is called. Maybe not. I think I'll do one more video when I start actually looking for them. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thanks. Bye.